last day at Universal Orlando Resort. We decided to go back to the guest office of Universal Studio because we need to clarify some of the photos. So we decided to walk. We stayed at Loews Royal Pacific Resort. So we walk. As you can see, it's a beautiful weather. It's nice to walk. It's a good exercise. You can see the nice river on your left. It's very pretty to walk. It's around afternoon, midday, and it's a beautiful day to work, just in case you're wondering. And after we pass that security, here we are at the CityWalk and the entrance to the Universal Studio. And we made it at the entrance. As you can see, it's less crowded. There's not much people, right? You expect that, too much people. And we figure out the photo problem. And then now we're back to our hotel. Let's take a last look at the CityWalk of Universal Studio. Woohoo! As you can see, it's very nice. Nice weather, nice day to walk. You see all the establishment. We have here the studio store, the voodoo donuts, so delicious. There's the Hard Rock. And we decided to have the water taxi on our way back to the hotel. It's very nice. I can't wait to come back. I can't wait to come back at Universal Orlando Resort. Woohoo!